Dispatch, suspect heading north on Walker, speeds over 130.
They're still on us.
Then we go faster. Ready when you are.
Over the last decade, we've watched technologies converge in ways we once only imagined. Today, with SORA 2, we are seeing that convergence become usable, elegant, and human. It's no...
Alright friends, the wait is finally over. SORA 2 is now officially open for everyone. No more invite codes, no more tricky installs, nothing. I've been playing around with it for a while now, and trust me, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Everything you just saw in the video was created using SORA 2, and it looks unbelievably real. The visuals are stunning, but the sound, that's what really takes it to another level. I have no idea how they managed to pull this off, but I'm totally here for it. And guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use SORA, uncensored, with unlimited generations. Yes, you heard that right. So without wasting another second, let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to start creating videos using SORA 2 on Higgsfield AI. And you might be wondering, why Higgsfield? Well, there are two big reasons. First, on Higgsfield, you get access to the uncensored version of SORA 2. Yet, that means no annoying content moderation limits, complete creative freedom. And second, if you're part of the Ultimate or Creator program, you get unlimited generations with SORA 2. How cool is that? Getting started is super simple. Just click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll see an interface that looks just like this. Along with SORA 2, Higgsfield also gives you unlimited access to other awesome tools like WAN 2.5, Nano Banana, and Dream. Feel free to experiment with those too. Alright, now let's get to the fun part. Generating videos with SORA 2. Just hover over the video section and from there select SORA 2. Let's dive in and see what it can do. With SORA 2, you can create both text to video and image to video content, which is just incredible. Let's start by trying out the text to video feature. I'll go ahead and paste this text into the prompt box. Next, you can choose your video duration. As you can see, it supports videos up to 12 seconds long, which is pretty amazing. I'll keep it at 4 now. After that, you can also adjust the aspect ratio if you want to make it more cinematic or vertical for shots. And one important step, make sure you turn on the unlimited option. Otherwise, it'll start deducting your credits. Once everything's ready, just hit generate. And boom, here's the result.
It's unreal out here. Nothing but sun, sand, and that horizon. Staying light on the bars, letting the bike float. A little climb coming, and it's all open again. Can't beat this.
Take a look at this footage, guys. It's absolutely stunning. SORA 2 totally nailed it. The warm glow, the detailed rocks in the background, everything looks straight out of a movie. The gloves, the handlebars, even the sand, everything looks so real. And that smooth, natural camera movement, just wow. But here's what really blew my mind. The sound. It's insanely realistic and matches the visuals perfectly. You can hear every little detail, and honestly, if someone showed me this clip without context, I'd swear it was filmed in real life. SORA 2 is honestly on a whole different level. This is some seriously impressive stuff. Let's give it another go, but this time I want to do something a bit more interesting. Let's generate a video of a historical figure. I'll type in my prompt, hit generate, and here's the result.
Over the last decade, we've watched technologies converge in ways we once only imagined. Today, with SORA 2, we are seeing that convergence become usable, elegant, and human.
Okay, this is absolutely wild. SORA 2 totally crushed it again. The lip sync is spot on, like perfectly in sync. His mouth moves exactly with the words, saying everything with flawless timing. And the voice? It sounds exactly. The tone, the emotion, that signature passion. It's all there. You can literally see him standing at the podium, speaking into the microphone. It feels completely real. The way AI has evolved to match the voice, lip movements, and expressions with this level of accuracy is just mind-blowing. Sora 2 isn't just good, it's game changing. This is some seriously next level technology. Alright, let's try one more before we move on to the image to video feature. I'll drop this prompt in, hit generate, and wow, check this out.
Are you kidding me? That's Stephen Hawking, the physicist. I never thought I'd see this in a WWE ring. Listen to this place. The entire arena is on its feet. He's actually coming down the ramp.
This one is just pure fun. I wanted to see Stephen Hawking making an entrance at a WWE fight. And guess what? Sora totally delivered. Look at this. He's rolling into the arena in his wheelchair, pyrotechnics exploding behind him, and the crowd going absolutely wild. It looks exactly like a real WWE entrance. And the announcers? Perfect. You can literally hear the excitement. The professor has entered the ring. The commentary matches the hype and energy of an actual wrestling broadcast. The lighting, the crowd reactions, the special effects, everything feels so real and so full of energy. And the best part? This is exactly what I asked for. From just a text prompt to a full-blown cinematic WWE entrance, Sora 2 absolutely nailed it. This right here shows the true power of text to video. It's wild, it's creative, and it's so much fun. And the crazy thing? Videos like this are going viral on Instagram right now. And the best part is, you can make them too. Alright, now let's move on to the image to video feature. And this part is seriously mind-blowing. You can upload your images right here. I've gone ahead and uploaded this one, added my prompt, hit generate, and just look at the result.
Dispatch, suspect heading north on Walker, speeds over 130.
They're still on us.
Then we go faster. Ready when you are.
Okay, this is absolutely crazy. From just one image, Sora 2 has created a super realistic chase scene. And get this, it actually generated multiple cut shots from that single picture. You see the car speeding down the street, then it cuts to the driver inside, then to a police officer on the radio, and then back to the chase. Multiple angles, multiple scenes, all from one still image. That's insane. The wet streets reflecting neon lights, the sharp turns, those intense close-ups, everything looks so cinematic. And here's the wild part. It even added dialogue that perfectly fits the scene. This isn't just simple image animation. This is AI filmmaking. Sora 2 doesn't just move your image. It creates a whole story with dynamic camera cuts and storytelling depth. Truly next level stuff. Sora 2 is redefining what's possible with AI video generation. Let's go for one more. This time I'll upload this image, add my prompt, hit generate, and here's what we got.
Sliding to my six. Break left now. Guns, he missed. Fox 2. He's flaring, still hot. Coming round. Keep him in the bucket. Missile tracking. Splash. Should kill. Let's bug out before his friends show.
Wow, this one's seriously awesome. What really stands out here is the speed and physics. Sora 2 absolutely nailed it. The way the jets move, those sharp turns and aerial maneuvers, it all looks so real. You can even see the contrails trailing behind them, the engine exhaust, and the way they bank and roll through the sky. The physics just make sense. And that lighting? Whether it's sunrise or sunset, that warm glow hitting the jets as they fly looks stunning. The camera angles are spot on too. Smooth close-ups of the cockpit and those wide shots from below. Everything flows perfectly and feels natural. Usually, this kind of fast, dynamic footage is super hard for AI to get right because speed and motion have to look believable. But Sora 2 pulled it off beautifully. The jets move like real jets, smooth, powerful, and cinematic. Really solid work here. Sora 2 just keeps impressing. Sora 2 doesn't just animate, it breathes life into your visuals. It creates movement, sound, and emotion all at once. Truly next level stuff. So there you have it, folks. Sora 2 with unlimited generations, available exclusively on Higgsfield AI. I'm telling you, with just a little creativity and effort, you can take your content creation game to an entirely new level using Sora 2. Now go ahead, give it a try and start creating your own cinematic masterpieces. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered creative tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.